Yeah.
So that door they were exercise what is the same door where Demarco forward through. The only song did have that kind of flavor there at the time was Busy Signal with a song named Days.
Yeah.
These are the days.
Yeah, man. But your one was a little bit more personal.
That song there is a song where the dead I play. Bad song I play on the radio, but it never get the real running of the road.
Yeah.
Until when Exercise Jack now,
Yeah,
the two of them I play together.
Yeah, man.
And worse at that's Acre production, the two of them.
Wow. I told them I never know
yeah,
that.
man. So you find out say Exercise and Days Jack now and a clap. And that's when Demarco now forward and say, me see that door here where Bugle up me now. Me I walk through that door and sing a song with him. This is from a fallen soldier. We miss you.
Yo.
And the three songs them start play together now.
They play them together.
Conscience. See the door what man realize. I want whole vibe this a go on cause war a go on, but this a go on.
Yeah.
So Conscience realize one door what me know.
It have a wave to
yeah,
it.
man.
I remember it.
So Conscience realize one door what me can forward through, you know. And Station, this year me have to be the winner. As me now go me have it up me. And that's how I run to Munga. I've come forward to and I say, oh no, now left me out of this. If I ever forget to give thanks, Jah please you. And me I say, I love this. I to know again, and that's the journeys. Some people stop by obstacles, my journey. So you find out so one door.
It was kind of phenomenon.
One door open.
It was kind of phenomenon when you step out, you know, because you were kind of like a new artist. Even though people knew about you, it was come like a brand. It come like it's a rebirth then.
Sure.
When them say it's like
well, I wouldn't say it's a rebirth because we really and truly never.
The only person that compare to is Buju and Buju.
At the time.
They say, but it's like you did it, but you never did it with an album, you did it with a song.
With a song.
Yardstyle live.